So, you know how you watch Jason Day on tour?
Yep.
And he gets behind the ball and he closes his eyes. Well, that's a big part of his practice routine, and I think it could help you as well. All right. What I'd like you to try is get behind the ball. I'm going to kind of talk you through this. You got a 7-iron in hand, right?
Yep.
That's about what you'd hit on hole 8 here at Talbot Country Club. All right. We're going to close your eyes. Okay. Can you imagine you're on hole 8? It's 65 degrees, wind's just at your back. Keep your eyes closed. I know it's a little weird, but you got wind at your back. And I want you to picture pin back right, and 7-iron's the perfect club for you, all right? And I want you to imagine the ball coming off the club face and the exact flight of it, how it lands, where it rolls out, and where it ends up, all right? Now go ahead and hit the shot. Pretty good. Do you feel like you were able to really vividly imagine that shot?
Yeah, I was trying to play a cut.
Yeah.
Hit a little cut.
Do you feel that if you could do that for 10 seconds in your pre-shot routine, it would help most of your shots?
Of course.
Can I ask you the next time you go to play to incorporate that into every pre-shot routine?
Will
Is
do.
it mental imagery?
Yeah.
By closing your eyes and thinking about the exact ball flight you want? Okay, great. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to let you hit this driver. I saw in your irons as well something that I would like to change. All right, go ahead and hit one for me. Okay, right? All right. All I'm going to ask is that on this swing, on your takeaway, I see that you're swaying a little bit. And I think that if we can limit your hip motion a little bit, yep, exactly. Limit your hip motion a little bit, that you're going to see more consistency in your ball striking and your shot dispersions. I think it's going to get a little bit more accurate. So on your takeaway, I just want you to focus in your backswing that these hips are staying more still, all right? So instead of feeling a sway motion on your backswing, just feel like the only thing rotating is your shoulders, all right? Keep those hips a little bit more still. Let's see what we get. Yeah, that was perfect. Awesome. Striped it right down the middle, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Yeah, I think if you're able to limit that hip motion, it's going to increase a lot of your consistency in your ball striking. And what I would love to do is take that to the course and see if we can improve some of your golf skills on course.
Got it.
Awesome. So we talked about mental imagery and incorporating that into your pre-shot routine and limiting that hip motion on that backswing, so it's going to improve your consistency. All right. I want you now, we're on the golf course, this entire round we're going to go through and make sure we're incorporating that, okay? Transfer those skills learned on the lesson tee to the actual course, all right? So here we are on the first hole. I want you to close your eyes, imagine that ball, exactly how it's going to fly and where it's going to end up and roll out to. Then I want you to go through the rest of your routine, and in your swing, incorporate that lesser hip motion, okay? Perfect. Awesome. Right down the gut. Good job. Let's keep going.